Today I got a vehicle for myself, right? I bought a truck on the road. I mean, a lot of you guys know I work on the road, and I bought a truck. This truck has kind of been like one of my dreams trucks. This truck has been one of my dreams truck. I finally was able to get it. I think I got a good deal. I'm not sure. The point is I got it. And let me show you guys. Look at that. Look at that. I love these scents. I love them. Appreciate it, Eric. I'll keep you posted.
Yeah, you'll have to. I'm excited to see what you do with it.
Yeah. All right, man.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Drive safe.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, you're welcome.
I'll see you next week.
Enjoy it.
I will.
And just be careful. There is a fire pit right there. There's a hole.
Okay.
You can drive all the way around it. On the grass doesn't matter.
Sounds good.
Just don't fall in the hole.
I will. And I'm off to Houston, guys. Truck is loaded up and secure. Stop for gas, guys. Gas mileage is terrible. 11.5 miles per gallon. Okay, got it. She moves a local. See, this they were gonna repaint the truck, but I bought it as is because I don't want the truck repainted. I'm gonna choose my own color. Which is good. That, guys, very proud of myself. The first major purchase I ever purchased for myself. I have a lot planned to it. Let's hit the road. Still got a long way. guys could see, 7 hours and 50 minutes, 424 miles, 11.2 miles per gallon. I finally made it. Now it's just time to get her off and put her in storage. So that's it, guys. Stay tuned for the future modifications, I guess. Have a good one.